Display the weather in a daily format with our Daily Weather app. Go to the Apps tab and select Daily Weather. Give the app a name and an optional description if needed. Then either use the location of the player or type in a specific location. Add a location header if you want to customize the name of the location that will be displayed on screen, or leave the box blank to apply the location name automatically. Select the number of days of forecast you want to display, the measurement of temperature and the language. Then set the colour theme and font style of the app. The default duration is how long the app will appear in a playlist. Keep availability unticked if you don't want to schedule the app, or toggle it on and set the start and expiration dates. This means the app will not be displayed outside of these dates. Click Save and your app will be ready to display.